Torino GT 68. Very nice. Uh, 215 7014s. Cool. Very cool. Hey, look at that reflection. Look at that Scoob. Oh, I'm just kidding. An 09 Mustang there. These minis are kind of cool. And oh wow, there's a Boxster right here. I didn't even see that. 99. It's got some heavy tint. It is a manual. I like a Boxster. They're pretty cool. It's a little bit neglected. And we've also got this truck, which I've seen around town quite a bit. I think it's on bags, and that lip is actually touching the ground. So that's pretty cool. Alright, we got a cool little lot here. There's a Bug over there. And Audi. But mostly a bunch of V-dubs. I like a Bug, man. I want a Bug. Especially if it's a manual. Oh, it is a manual. I wouldn't mind a Bug. I thought I saw a Kombi van back here. I'm gonna keep looking around. Nice tractor, too. Alright, guys, we're on the other side here. I got a couple more Bugs. There's another Jetta over there, and look at that truck. I'm gonna go take a boo at that truck. Because that is pretty cool. What do we have here? This is pretty cool. 195 60 14s. Ooh, interior is just gone. There is no interior. That's pretty freaking cool, actually. I can dig it. 225 70 16s on the Honda Passport V6. That is very cool. I'm at Port Hope Auto Service on 300 Rideout Street. And we have this. Damn wind. We have an FC RX-7, which at first glance here looks very clean. I see little to no rust. What do we got here? 205 60 15s on what appear to be stock wheels. A manual transmission, of course. Left-hand drive, of course. And this is a very, very clean example, as you can tell. There we go. A little birdie tells me that this is a GXL, and there are markings on it that would indicate that it is a GXL. So I hear that this is the best of the NA version. So it's got uprated brakes, suspension, LSD. So overall, a very cool car. Probably worth a little bit in this area, considering how clean it is. Believe it or not, in Japan, these are actually more expensive than the FD, the later model, which are more desirable here. It's kind of funny how that works. But that's pretty much all there is to see. We'll just take another quick glance here. Very, very clean example.